Hi everyone, Miss Long here. I just wanted to share a little bit about our assignments this week. Your assignments can be found in the assignments tab here on your Microsoft Teams. One of our assignments is the exact same one. I'm asking you to do two different book reviews. You will have to do two. I did create a video on how we access Epic Books. There is a variety of books online that you can access through that website. If you have a stash of books at home, you can also use a book that you have at home to complete this. So if you click on this, I'm going to show you the student view. And when I click on the student view here, it brings up my PowerPoint here. I can click on this PowerPoint, and it will bring up a screen. So I have the option of editing the presentation. When I click on this, I can edit in PowerPoint or I can edit in the browser. My suggestion to you is to go ahead and edit in PowerPoint. It's going to download a copy of this to your desktop. So you can go ahead and fill in your name. So I would put Amy Long. If I was reading a book, let's say I read, oh my gosh, I don't even know. What's a good book to put in? The Three Little Pigs. Okay, and then I would click and I can write the name of the author here. In the summary section here, it says don't give too much away, but I'm going to write a little blurb about the Three Little Pigs and what the book was about. I want to include what I liked here, so maybe you like the illustrations, maybe you like the words, maybe it was funny. What did you not like? Maybe you didn't like when the big bad wolf ate the couple of little pigs. And then the final thing is your rating. It says delete the stars to give the rating you want. If you loved it, then you can leave all 5 stars there. If you thought, this is just an okay book, I can click on this, and then if I hit the delete key, it's going to take those away. And I can hit the delete key again, and maybe it was only a 3-star book. When I'm done with this, okay, my dears, I'm going to go ahead and click File. I'm going to click Save As, okay. I can save it to my desktop if I'd like. So if I want to save it to my desktop, I can go ahead and click here. I can click on Desktop, and I can save it as Book Review. It would be good to save it with your last name or your first name so I know who it is, and then it's going to save a copy to my desktop. When I click out of here, okay, I should be able to go ahead and in the assignment section, when it's my turn to turn in my assignment, it may ask me to, the only thing I do not know, my dears, is I do not know how I can show you how we turn it in. So more to come on that, but my suggestion would be to save it to your desktop so you can easily upload it back into our system, and I will have to do another video with that. Okay, that will be it for this video.